Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, with the January optional bug fix C-release update that Microsoft rolled out for Windows 11, 25, and 24H2, which was this update, KB 5074105, Microsoft introduced a new Smart App Control feature, with Microsoft saying you can turn Smart App Control on or off without any clean install requirement. And I posted on this update. Now, just a quick recap for the purpose of this video. If we head into our Windows Security app and we head into App and Browser Control, we have a feature called Smart App Control, which helps block untrusted or potentially harmful apps, as you may well know. So that's what the feature does. Up until that change, if you updated your Windows device like I have, the option to turn Smart App Control, as you can see, is grayed out. Cannot turn the feature on. So it's turned off by default. The only way it can be turned on is if you do a clean installation of Windows 11, which I didn't in my case, as mentioned. So that was the change. You can turn Smart App Control on or off without any clean install requirements. So that's the change the update introduced. Now, just to let you know that Microsoft now has since updated the support documentation for that update to let us know that a clean install remains still mandatory. And I was wondering why that feature wasn't rolling out to my part of the world, because Microsoft has updated the changelog as mentioned to say this feature originally documented in the January 2026 non-security update has been removed from the documentation and is planned for a future release. So Microsoft has not rolled out the ability to turn Smart App Control on or off. So Microsoft has removed the ability to turn Smart App Control on or off without any clean install requirement. So that's why, if you're not seeing the feature, that's the reason why. So I just thought I'd post this quick video just to keep us all on the same page. So basically nothing has changed. So for now, if you want full Smart App Control functionality, you will still need to perform a clean Windows 11 installation, because Microsoft has said the rollout is going to take place in a future update. And obviously, if I get knowledge of that, I'll post and keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.